Welcome to LLUMO. Let's see how LLUMO can help you evaluate LLMs 360-degree at 10x speed. When you first log in, you will see the setup pop-up. Here you can generate your LLUMO API key or installation code to integrate with your AI workflow. Check our developer docs to complete the integration process in just 5 minutes. Want to run prompt experiment before integrating? Then use the playground under evaluation. Click Test Playground or select the Playground tab from the dashboard. First, click the Input button to define your variables at the top. Add values for different scenarios. You can also upload the data in bulk from your database or Excel file using data streams. Once you have set up your input, write your first prompt, choose the model and hit Run to get the output along with LLUMO's evaluation score. Click the Get Smart Prompt button to create a smarter version of your input prompt. Select it. Make as many clauses as you want. Choose model for each iteration and hit Run again. With LLUMO, you get to see all results on the same screen in just few clicks side by side along with LLUMO's custom evaluation score next to them to find out which prompt and model is really working good. Run multiple iterations with all your input to find the best prompt and model combination. You can also compare results for one prompt across all input scenarios. The best part is you can customize LLUMO's evaluation to fit your niche and task. Go to EvalLM tab, choose an evaluation metric and say its default definition. Edit it to customize it for you. Write a prompt, select a model and hit Run to see the output and the score. Keep tweaking until you are satisfied. Once you are happy, turn on the toggle to add it to your playground and dashboard. To see LLUMO in action after API integration, visit our demo site. The demo site displays full LLUMO evaluation analytics with sample data, helping you monitor LLM performance 360 degrees across all models and gain insights to improve performance. Ready to start iterating at 10x speed? Dive into LLUMO now. For any help, click on Talk to Us to connect with our AI developers directly. Happy LLMs monitoring.